Alright, so you know how to log into OSCAR, which is great. So now what I want to show you is just some basic navigation of the appointment screen. So this appointment screen that's in front of me is my appointment screen. So I'm OSCAR Doc. Often what you'll probably do is look up another doctor's schedule, and so I'm just going to show you how to do that. So right here is a little search field. So what I want to do is I want to look up Dr. Wilson's schedule. So I'm going to look up Dr. Wilson. So what I get is this little window that pops up, and I want John Wilson. So I'm going to click on his provider number, and now I got his schedule. Now he's got nothing on his schedule, so which is great. Nothing for me to do here. So now I want to go back to mine schedule. So what I can do is I can type my name in here and go back to my schedule. Or just to demonstrate, I can click on group and I can go and look for OSCAR Doc and just click on it, and it will perform the same task and bring me back to my schedule. Now you'll be noticing that this says group. Now the reason why it says that is because you can open up a group schedule, so more than one doctor schedule at a time. So what I'm going to do is look up a group. Let's try this one. Let's see. Okay, so we have, so now this allows me to review multiple doctor schedules. What I'm going to do is go back to mine again. Alright, back to mine. So, and what we also see here is this button. It's for the week view. So right now I'm on my day. I see this only today. I want to see today's schedule. I would just, or a week schedule of mine, I would just click the W. The S is if I want to search, so I have no appointments, I want to look for a specific appointment or that's coming up, I can do it here, and as you can see, you do it for other providers. In case I haven't explained it already, often you've heard the term providers from people like me, is because that's what everyone logged into OSCAR is known as a provider, but if you're looking for someone else's schedule, that's where you would find it. Alright, and if I want to navigate to tomorrow's date, I can just click the red arrow. If I want, I can click on the calendar, click another day, and I can see it historically, I can see it in the future. You know, if I was on another day and I want to go back to today, and if I want to see a month view, I can click on a month view of my, and get a month view of my schedule. So that's the crash course on what you see in the appointment screen. Now I have appointments already here, and you can see, so this is a patient test Johnny. You'll see the stop sign. It's something that you'll see a lot. What that is just it's preventions that have been triggered because they're warnings for you to take action on them and go to the prevention module. We'll go into that a little bit later in another segment, but for now, if I needed to edit this appointment, I would just click on name, and I can edit this appointment, and then save it. You'll notice actually the E2 and the E. The E is the encounter, the chart. This is where you're going to use, that's the patient's chart. So if I want to go to this patient's chart, I click on the E. The E2, just so you'll see it in the clinic as well. You can ignore it at the moment, but I believe you will be receiving some training on that. But the E2 is just the newer development that we're working on that will replace the existing chart. This is going to be the master record. The master record is the patient's demographics. It's where you can edit their name or their phone number, stuff like that. So next thing I'll just show you is just how you add an appointment just by clicking on one of the time slots and look up a patient. Again, I could look up test. I could look up test, comma space patient, and it will refine the list. But I'm just gonna look up test so you can see, and then I'm gonna do sure, just any one. These are all test patients, and then I'll add the appointment. You can add in more detail here, but we're working on the basics at the moment. There, successfully added an appointment for today for myself. So, yay! So, okay, so we'll go into some other stuff, and we'll describe some of these other that are up here. So, like the tickler, the messenger, the inbox, stuff like that. We'll break down some of those, but coming up.